I'm sure you have seen the video of the phonetics and diphthongs about how to read French without a teacher. Now there are some thing I'm going to share with you that is a standard rule where you understand why this specific letter wasn't spoken. That is, whenever you are going to see in the end of any French word, the letters are S, T, D, X. If you see these letters in front, in the ending of any French word, they are not spoken. The word is spoken whole, but not just with them, without them. S, T, D, X. S, T, D, X. They are not spoken in French language. But if they are followed by any other letter, any other vowel or consonant, then they are spoken. If they are in between somewhere, even if they are the second last letter. The examples are like, grand, G-R-A-N-D. I've told you, STDX. You're not going to speak the letter D now. It is going to end at our diphthong grand. Grand. You remember how G became gr, grand. It is grand. Now if I add E in the end of this word, it is going to become grande. This is going to get spoken now. Now example number 2. Dangereux. X is not going to get spoken. This is silent. Heureux. Next example. Heureux. This is not spoken. X is not spoken. Now we have chat in plural. Chat. S is not spoken. This is first of all the word cats. S is telling that this is plural. So this is not spoken. Now I'm going to tell you one nationality which with S is masculine and without S in the ending is something else. With S, Français, it means the male, all the male nationals in France. I mean the male population, we call them Français, and the ladies who are all in France, and we call them French, basically in English, but in French we call them Françaises. In the end, after S we just put E, and it becomes Française. So you have to speak that word. Couple of examples with the letter T. Différent. If you add E, if you add then it will become différente. Client. Cliente. If you add E. Objet. So this is that you do not speak T in the end. So remember, S, T, D, X are never spoken. Most of the time S and X actually make the whole word go plural. We have one more word which is going to make the word plural. Dangereux is plural. Dangereuse is feminine. Froid. So this is it. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et pratiquez bien à lire le français. Au revoir.